Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. Now, if you're wondering if your iPhone supports 5G or has 5G, this is how you can check. So let's get started. So in order to check it, there's two different ways you can do this. First, and the easiest way is if you have 5G already enabled through your carrier, you can go into your setting of your iPhone. Simply go to either cellular or you might see mobile here and click on that. Once you click on it, you can actually go into your cellular data option. And if you click on that, you see there's an option for voice and data and then data mode as well. Now if you click on it and if your phone has 5G or supports 5G, it'll have 5G auto and 5G on. Now if it doesn't have 5G, it'll just say 4G or LTE listed instead. You can also check it under data mode here. You should see that you should have an option available for more data on 5G, again if your phone has 5G capability. Now let's say maybe you have a phone that your carrier might not have 5G per se, but the phone does support 5G. So the way to determine is to model of your iPhone that you have. Now if you go back into your iPhone, go into your main settings again and go to general about. You want to look at the model of your iPhone you have. So I have an iPhone 12 here, and the iPhone 12 and the newer phones have 5G by default. So another way to check is you see there's a 5G MMM wave as well on the right hand side. It's a darker spot compared to the other one that indicates it. Now the iPhone SE third generation, which is the latest one, also has it. So if you have iPhone 12 or later or the third generation of the iPhone SE, you'll have it as well for 5G by default. They have support 5G. You can go to Apple's website here as well to see it. The iPhone 15 lineup has it, 14, iPhone SE third generation, 13, and the 12 lineup. If you have anything older like iPhone 11 or older, it doesn't support 5G at all. So even if your carrier has 5G, you're not going to get 5G. As you can see here on this iPhone here, same exact thing, that 5G MMM wave, you can determine that it has 5G support for it. So that's how you check it, and I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.